Hello, what is up internet people? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 25 different gift ideas for anyone in your life who loves to travel. So here I have a scratch map from Serengeti. I'm going to stand up and show you guys some more of it, but it says travel more at the bottom because that's one of Serengeti's mottos, and then yeah, it's just the world. So my first suggestion for small gifts would be postcards. So sakura blossoms are really one of those very Japanese things. It's basically like a holiday card. You can just write on the back and give them to the person, but it also inspires some wanderlust. The next gift idea is to give people stickers or decals. Those are really great for the traveler. They can put them on their laptop case or their water bottles or their car if they do a lot of driving. So two little examples I have are also from Serengeti. This one says Wear the World and this one says Travel More. These are patches that I got from Japan. There's a lot of ones online with like little mountains on them and other kind of cool, say, hiking quotes or something like that. So patches are really cool because you can put them on your jackets, you can put them on your backpacks, you can put them on like little baggies or whatever. So my next small gift idea is to get different snacks or foods from different countries, and you can put them either in a stocking or just gift wrap them. Yeah, you can get like Belgium cookies or Colombian coffee, anything like that. You can make a little kit of your own. So I would highly suggest getting them a travel size shampoo and conditioner, because that's one of those things that, especially as a girl, like, you know that you need them, but you never really think to get the travel size of like whatever you usually get. You usually just get the full size, and it's one of those things that you wait until the last minute to get, and then sometimes you don't even get until you go to the other country. So if you are artsy, you could do something like make them something. So this is a little art thing I made that I found on Pinterest, but yeah, I just like drew this in Sharpie and it was so easy. It says adventure awaits. So this is a little mug that someone made me. It's the shape of Massachusetts, which is where I'm from. So these are flags that I got from Serengeti that are really cool to either take with you on like hikes and trips and take photos with them, or you could hang them in like your dorm room or your apartment, wherever it is that you stay. So these hats are also perfect for the traveler because they've got little planes on them, and the backs say Travel More there and here. And the last small cheapish item that I have for you guys is to get someone a small travel book. So this one is from Lonely Planet. I think it was like $10. But this one is a Japanese phrase book and dictionary. So it's really great for someone if they're learning a new language or they're going someplace where they don't speak that language. So they can just open up the book and there's like survival phrases. Hello, goodbye, please, thank you, you're welcome, yes, no, excuse me, sorry, whatever the phrase is. So it's a really great gift if you know someone has a trip coming up, and it shows that you're being thoughtful about their trip and you want them to have a good time and be prepared. So moving on to a more mid-price range set of gifts, the first one I would recommend is packing cubes or other luggage items. I think a cute way to gift packing cubes to someone would be to buy the cubes and also buy them some clothes and pack them in there for them. So I do think if you are shopping for clothes, it would be really cute to get some clothes and actually put them in the packing cube. So moving up a little bit more in price, I think another awesome gift for travelers are hammocks. I also think a Kindle is a really thoughtful gift to get someone who travels a lot, because I would want to bring more than one book with me. So in that case, a Kindle would be really good because even though I can't flip through the pages, it's so much more convenient and lightweight. So next up is another thing that I don't have, but I think I would really appreciate getting as a gift from someone else, is a photo album or calendar or anything you can make on Shutterfly or one of those websites where you can use different photos and personalize a gift. We all know that Beats are pretty expensive. I never really thought that it was worth splurging on for myself, but having gotten them, these are the only headphones that I use for going in airports and airplanes, because if babies are crying or whatever, like, you really need noise canceling headphones. The other headphones just don't cut it. So the next 4 things have to do with kind of carrying your electronics on the go. So I'm going to group them all together as a laptop case, backpacks, camera case, and camera strap. So this gift is mostly for photographers, but I think that it's really helpful for any traveler, especially solo travelers, and it is having a tripod. And last but not least, number 25, the ultimate gift to give someone that loves to travel is getting them a trip somewhere. The very cheapest and most simple trip that you can get someone is maybe getting one night's hotel in the nearest city to where you live. So if you have almost no money to spend on something like this, you could get probably a hotel somewhere from $50 to $200 a night, which if you're getting this for friends or something too, you could all split the cost of the hotel. But I think it's kind of a more thoughtful gift than just getting someone like a nice restaurant dinner or something. It really puts them in the mood that they are not at home. They are somewhere else, they are going on a trip. So that's it for this video today. I hope it was helpful. I hope it gave you some inspiration for gift ideas for your loved ones who enjoy traveling. And if you like this video, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to get for Christmas. I hope you are having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, nighttime, whatever time it is, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!